Record. Kersey, back at you here. We got a 6L80 that we're about to assemble. We've already got the drums built. Everything's here. We're going to go ahead and assemble this thing for you and show you the assembly real quick. Alright, here we go, Charlie.
First thing, put the tail shaft in the rear part in there. You gotta have a special tool or you can't put that in there, it's heavy. Crack the case and try to put it in without one. Just screws in, screws out. Alright, that's it. And the next thing to go in is the center support. Drop. Now the big snap ring. It goes in, tapered side up at 9 o'clock. Like that, and then that, and it's in there. And you got your bottom reaction shell that goes down on the clutches right here. Engages these clutches. Make sure it's not that bearing off. That's all the way down. You got your upper reaction shell.
Make sure your bearings are in.
Drops down. And your dampener.
There's your dampener.
That pops. This goes in like this. That means it's down.
3/5 reverse. Makes it a lot easier when you got the tool here.
I believe that's down. Yep. See, the teeth are all the way down to the snap ring almost. That means it's down. And now the pump.
This is a brand new pump from our transmission supplier.
Maybe it ain't all the way down. It's got to be down. Huh. Sitting in the kitchen. You shouldn't be. Huh. That's weird. There it goes.
There she goes.
Ceiling ring wasn't seating right.
See, it's all the way down. We're going to run these down and torque them to specs.
Torque to 53 foot-pounds.
down with the speed handle, and then we're going to torque them. And we're going to go ahead and torque them 53 foot-pounds on your pump. There we go. We're going to do another video for y'all building the drums and the clutch packs. We'll get a video out on that too. We did want to show y'all the assemble of the transmission. 6L80 is very simple. It's not a complicated unit. So you guys out there wanting to do it yourself, this will show you the assembly.
Alright. Hey, Brian. Shit. Well, gotta put it on the table now. Let me get Brian.
Alright. Now what we're going to do is put it on the table and show y'all the assembly of the valve body. Putting the valve body back on. Charlie's done gone through this valve body. This here's your Tecum. That Tecum's got everything built in it. 6L80 is not a manual transmission, it's electronic. So you guys that are building these units, sometimes we do have to replace the Tecum on there, depending on what's going on with it when we put it in. But
Find him. We're just trying to put it up there.
you got to get a Tecum and get it programmed. We have a way to do all that here.
Set it down on the table real quick.
Alright, let me stop this video. We just have to edit it out.